Okay.
Yes, 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 yes. Can we flip the script, nation people? Bumbleclot. What are you? We're outside. Yo, yo, yo! Let me flip the script, nation people. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, the world, it's not a plan. You just watch what go on, you know. Carefully. A franchise. The choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know it go already, you know. When we come for represent. Full effecting, man. You don't know it go. When we load up. Aim up. Crack up. Drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me now, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch this. Are the most electrifying one on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yeah, nation people. Not even for a second, I believe it can get more electrified than that. So watch me now. Me don't know what really going on, you know. Me don't know what going on with Guyana and Trinidad, you know. I don't want on the day I try to mix world boss in some political affair business, you know. Hey, what go on? Guyana and Trinidad, talk to me. What not do? What not try? What not do? I plan a coup against the world boss. That you not do? I plan a coup against Vybz Kartel and Gaza Nation. Trinidad. Remember, you know, Jamaica, you know, Avuni, you know. As them brother and sister, you know. Don't make a blood clot drop the company, you know, my brother. You see what I say? Don't make a drop the company. Because guess what I'm going right now? Something now add up right here, so, you know. It don't look like a chalk you know, use on the drawing board, you know. It look like a paint and it can't rub out, you know. Me a track on you know. Me a track on you, me a see the material evidence, you know. Yo, Guyana, uno first, come here. Yo, a political thing, uno miss big world boss in a Guyana. Eh? Remember, you know, the big general down a Guyana. Then, link up world boss. And world boss fly go over there. Do interview, all type of shit. You see me? And him even ask world boss some favor. You see what I say? If him can make some Guyanese artists work on the show or even couple Guyana artists do collaboration with him. You see? Yo, after the world boss left Guyana, you know, in a friendly, you know. You see a couple of days after that, a world boss must push out on the internet, you know. I make the people them know saying here what go on. Good, respect, brother, respect. The man say here what go on. I him response for him plane ticket. I him the response for him flight. For fly go over there. So I don't know if at the political rascal government, then that mean the next side a government. If at them did a forward down upon the one where I run it. So I don't know because a whole heap of contrary shit start going. Me know the G who I run off the place. Him and Vybz Kartel I move close. So from your ear, avoca go on and avoca create. it after forward from the political side. Yo, let me tell you something. No one now do, you hear me? No mix Vybz Kartel in no political affair, you hear that? Don't do that. You see what I say, Vybz Kartel are artists. No one now do. First thing gonna start talk about some local pitney and all them things that the local kid, youth dead and them shit there. You can't blame Vybz Kartel for that. Vybz Kartel have nothing to do with that. You see what I say? You have to deal with your own thing. You see what I say? You can't have no rascal artists I move from the fucking different country for come right there, so come sort out on an issue and there so every single day. You see what I deal with? Yo, you fix things, you know. You see what I deal with because it don't look good. Right now it look like it's a coup now plan. And I don't know if it's some political affair. And I don't know if the opposition minister for Guyana, I don't know if he might work with the Trinidad government. Because I guess you're going to go on. The Trinidad show did put up when the carnival supposed to go on. Anyway, them postpone it. The show redate and ready up again. You see all those time, you never had hear nothing from the Trinidad government. You see what I say? But as the Guyana, as the news forward out of Guyana and the Christian them are rebel about some song business. This is what we hear from Trinidad. Trinidad, be careful, you know. You see me? Because if it's a coup on our planet now go work, you know. You see me? The world boss only a forward at Trinidad, you know. To make the people them happy, you know. And not only that, blow up bomb buckle at Trinidad economy too, you know. So no don't forget that, you know. Watch what we do, you know. And mine, you know, miss out on greatness, you know. You see what I deal with? Greatness can't stop greatness. You see what I deal with? You know, hunger can be a part of it. You see what I say? And that's not a joke thing, not a gimmicks thing. Hunger can be a part of greatness, and you can't stop it. It's not in our hand for control, my brother. That thing is bigger than you. You see me, a worldwide thing. You see what it do? You see what the world boss do to Jamaica fucking economy? Eh? When Freedom Street drop there, Trinidad man gonna miss out upon a glorious chance. You hear that? And don't watch the political, don't watch the opposition government in a Bumbakla, Guyana. Because fuck what them are going with. And two, the world boss are roll with the current government. You see what I deal with? Make you hear them fandangles they are fucking forward out. You see what I say? And what? I tell you now about this Christianity thing. You see what I say? You know, use it and divide people. What the fuck you not deal with? What the fuck you not deal with? Talk to me. I know what the fuck really are going right about now. Because it not look good enough. You see what I say? I'm find on a contrary, you know. You see what I deal with? I'm want to make you know if it's a coup on our planet now go work, my brother. You see me? The world boss control Gaza labor. And now go fucking overture away. No joke shit not dead about it. 13 years behind the bars. And right now we new and improve. You see what I say? Yeah. No joke shit not dead about it. It's either on a ride with it, get with it, or on a sail off some far part when on a destination. You hear that? Cut out on a blood clot lollipop thing. You see what I say? You can't stop greatness. You know what I mean? It not lies in our hand. You see me? So be careful what you do. You know what I mean? Because I don't understand. You know? I don't understand what you really deal with. You know, along the Trinidad show post up, eh? I never hear nothing from Trinidad government now, nobody over there. Eh? The only thing them say, well then, yo, the show couldn't keep because the show not for keep because carnival keep such and such a day and where. Okay. Nobody not say nothing. The people them respect on the carnival time. And what them do? Them postpone the show. And no argument, no chatting never did there. So the show forward up now, I know we are here about a different type of argument. Eh? So I that I wonder if the Trinidad government a par or a role with the opposition government for Guyana. Because as Guyana people, some people, not even the whole of Guyana and not half of Guyana, some little people in a Guyana are rebel, but an opposition government what talk about rascal banning Vybz Kartel song and all them shit there. You know how long them song they do? The song do from last year October, my brother. And I know you decide for ban it. I know you want to hold up argument about it. Yo, tell me one, you serious? You dead ass? Where the fuck I going? What are they deal with? Eh? Yo, everybody done see it, you know. All my guns see it, you know. A lollipop thing we not deal with, you know. But if you want to break partnership, you know, with Jamaica, you know, you go and fuck on Vybz Kartel and Gaza and you see. You see what I deal with? Because you don't understand. A whole heap of people try and fail, my brother. You see what I deal with? No joke thing that they about it. No gimmicks thing that in my game. The way how I represent a Gaza way, they ain't no other fucking way. You see what I say? You don't behave on a rascal self. You see what I deal with? You don't respond to dancehall. You don't respond to soca music. They ain't nothing slack like bumbuckler calypso music. You don't have no other music in the world where slacker than calypso music. So you see when you're there and I chat on the mouth and I run up on the mouth, be careful of what the fuck you do. You hear me I tell you no? No joke shit not dead about it, no gimmicks thing not dead about it. The way how me I represent right now. A Gaza way, I said there ain't no other fucking way. You see what I deal with? Yeah. Me no know. I don't see it. I'm a gun see it. I don't tell you no Guyana. I see where the fuck happen. You see what I say? I'm a sister. Well then, yeah. At the rascal opposition government in a Guyana. Run. Like you can ban and Vybz Kartel just because he made a role with the previous, through my role with the current government. You see what I deal with? Yeah, the man them do bumbuckler interview and go on with this something. You see me shit go viral and them shit there. I know time we hear you ask me hear the political government ask the government. You know what I mean? But the rascal private jet settings and all of them shit, the Vybz Kartel have to forward out and say, well then, him play for him own bumble rascal shit. You see me? You never stop there, sir. You wait till when time the show line up. Then you forward and talk about bumble rascal banning song. You know how much song Vybz Kartel have in his catalog? Vybz Kartel never did. Vybz Kartel tell anyone I want to say when him forward that him go sing that song there. Eh? Vybz Kartel did make none of you know. Say when he forward there, say him that sing that song there. Him never tell you that, you know. Me don't know what the bumbuckler at me told you know. A fuck you now go on with, you know. You see what I say? Yeah. A fuck you now go on with big time. You see what I deal with? No joke shit not dead about it. No gimmicks thing that in my game. Yeah, I think that one they're gone, don't it? Yeah. The joke shit not there in my game, no gimmicks thing that in it. You know what I mean? A lollipop thing we not deal with. You know what I mean? When you can't stop greatness, you know. Let me tell you that, you know. You care how the fuck you not try. When you can't stop greatness. You see me greatness not lying on the foot, you hear that? Yeah. Greatness not lying on the foot. Big bumbuckler thing, a.k.a. Rodney Bumbuckler Price. No joke shit, not the killer himself. You know a crazy shellings, don't it? Oh, you mean? That is it. Bumbuckler Clark, you know. Eh? Guyana and Trinidad don't fix up on a Bumbuckler self. Or so now go lose a good brother Jamaica, you hear that? Yeah, because when you talk about dancehall, a world boss you talk about, you hear that? I want Vybz Kartel. No gimmicks thing that in my game, no lollipop thing that in it. And the general, the 10-star one, I represent. Big up the whole of FME, the whole of Federal Music Entertainment, Federal Gaza. Big up Burger Phillips record, Livewire record, Triple Beat record. Drizzly, you know the big thing tumble on already. Waterford, you know the world boss touch the road and they clip them load. Yo, big up all a Bumbuckler, Kingston 12, 13, 5. You know the Dragons go already, you know. The whole of Trenchtown, the whole of Denantown, the whole of Rosestown, the whole of Jonestown, the whole of Almantown, Craigtown, the whole of Jungle, Rima, Arnett Garden, Tivoli Garden, the whole of Federal. You know it go already. One general, a 10-star one. What? Guyana and Trinidad. Oh,